For your first assignment, we want to make sure that you can log into the different websites that you'll need for this class, but that you'll also use in some of your other classes. The very first one is lynda.com. That's Lynda with a Y, so you can get there just by going to lynda.com, which should take you to the page you see here. The next page you'll need to be able to log into is the Spring Branch Skyward page. It can be Googled. It can also just be typed in as skyward.springbrancisd.com. The third page is our Spring Branch Canvas. This one's a little bit more difficult. It's not just springbranch.canvas or canvas.springbranch. Instead, you have to type in springbrancisd.instructure, which is the company that makes canvas.com, which will take you to the page you see here. And lastly, the fourth website that you need to be able to log into is ManageBook. And to get to our specific page on ManageBook, you have to type in, once again, waste.managebook.com. So fairly similar pattern throughout them. Once you've logged into all four, we'll want you to take a screenshot of each one, drop them into a word processor, export it as a PDF, and upload it to ManageBook. So to log into lynda.com, you can see our login option on the right here, top right. If we click login, we have some options: individual login or organization login. You have an account provided for you by Spring Branch ISD, so you should have an option down here to type that in. If yours is blank, which it probably will be, just type www.springbrancisd.com in the blank here. You'll press go, and it will pop up this login prompt. This is the same login that you use to log into your computer. Once you log in, you can see courses that you've started watching here. You can see some recommendations based on what you've watched, different things here. But the important thing is you can see that I am now logged in. It says hello to me, my courses, etc. So I can now take a screenshot of this. So I can do Command, Shift, and 3. And that'll drop a screenshot of the whole screen on my desktop. If you're on a PC, taking the screenshot is a little bit more complicated. You can press print screen, but it's not going to drop it on your desktop like mine did. Instead, it's going to copy it to your clipboard, which you then have to paste into a different program like Word. For Skyward, this should be, once again, your school login. Which should pop up a new window, and you can see that I'm logged in. So I would take a screenshot of this, go ahead and close that since I don't need it, since I have my screenshot now. Log into Canvas, which once again should be your regular Spring Branch login. Should look something like this. So once again, Command Shift 3 to take a screenshot. And lastly, ManageBook. Now this one is a little different. This one you have to use your email address, and it has to be your @mysbisd.org account. Mine is not my isbisd.org account because your teachers don't have that account. They have a Spring Branch isd.com account. So yours will look a little different than mine. This password is something that you have chosen. If you have not chosen a password, if you are new to our school, then you should have an email in your @mysbisd.org email account that will let you choose a password. There we go. So now you can see that I am logged in here. And so once again, another screenshot. You're going to take all of your screenshots and drop them into your word processor. Now if you're on a PC, each time you hit print screen, it is going to replace your current copied screen with a new one. So you're going to have to paste in between each website on your computer. Probably, unless Microsoft has changed how that works. But I'm sure you'll figure it out. So open your word processor. Might be a decent idea to put your name. Perhaps the dates. And the course you're in. Drop those pictures in. Once you have all four in, you can export it as a PDF. And we'll just do a simple naming convention, so soeggshide-login.pdf, that makes sense. And you'll need to upload that document into an assignment for your class on ManageBox.